Okay, what do you guys want to say?
I hope you feel better, a little song.
Okay.
Have you made a little song?
And what do you have there?
We have little hearts that we made by ourselves with our mom, and we wanted to give it to Papa.
And what are they?
Mine was supposed to be a rainbow heart, but the yellow and orange mixed together. And the top, it looks really pretty.
And what do you have there, Aiden?
It's a red heart.
Oh, the candle? The candle heart?
Yeah, and then we have little candles that we wanted.
And then you made these?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's it say, Jade?
Mine says, "I hope you get better. Love, Jade."
And what about you there, Aiden?
Okay. What I say? You want me to read it for you? Okay.
Hi, Ness. Get better soon.
Thank you.
My book is how you read, drink water, and then you feel better.
Oh, great. Drink water and then it'll feel better.
And then if you don't, you'll get more golden. If you get more, then so I love you.
Aw, thank you. Okay, signing off. Say bye, Papa.
Look on the back.